Good morning to all. Today we are discussed about routing protocols for ADAC wireless network. So first we discussed about introduction about ADAC wireless network. Okay. So whatever the routing protocols we are used in wired network cannot be directly applied in the ADAC wireless network. So ADAC wireless network means there is a temporarily network. So temporarily wireless networks. Okay, so that these networks are highly dynamic topology and there is no infrastructure for centralized admission, and here the bandwidth is constrained and also energy constrained. So due to these reasons, the protocols whatever the used in wired network, those protocols cannot be applied here directly. Okay, so that's why we are designing some special routing protocols in the case of wireless ADAC networks. Okay, so first of all we discussed what are the issues in designing a routing protocol. So those issues are, first one is mobility, and another one is bandwidth constraint, and another one is error prone shared broadcast radio channel, and another one is hidden and exposed terminal problem, and another one is resource constraints. So these are the issues while designing a routing protocol for ADAC wireless network. So we will discuss one by one. So the first issue is mobility. So mobility means in ADAC wireless network is nodes are highly dynamic. Okay, due to the movement of nodes. So that is the reason. So the nodes are not located in a fixed location. Okay, so that's why this is the major important design issue. Okay, so and another one is path repairs. So that is, if even one path is break in the network, so the other path is to transfer the packet from source to destination, so that so the paths is also frequently broken in the case of wireless network. That's why this is the reason to issue the designing a routing protocol in the case of wireless network. And second issue is bandwidth constraint. So in the case of bandwidth constraints, unlike so wired network, here there is a limited bandwidth available. Okay, so here the bandwidth means radio band is limited, so that's why the data rate it can offer are much less than what a wired network can offer. Okay, so here the frequent changes of topology, more overhead of topology maintenance. So that's why the bandwidth constraint is very important. That is, the available bandwidth is utilized by more efficiently to our nodes. Okay, so that is the reason designing issue in a routing protocol in ADAC wireless network. Okay, so the third issue is error prone shared broadcast radio channel. So in this error prone radio shared broadcast radio channel, whatever the errors is occur from the lower layer, that is MAC layer, so here we have to clear those errors. So our protocol is clear those errors. So that is also one of the issue while designing routing protocol in this network layer. Okay, and another problem is hidden and exposed terminal problem. So in the hidden and exposed terminal problem is occur at the network layer as well as MAC layer. So in the what is the, first of all we defined what is the hidden problem. So hidden problem refers to the collisions of a packet at a receiving node. Okay, so due to the simultaneous transposition of those nodes that cannot that are not within the direct transmission range of the sender. Okay, so hidden problem occurs at the receiver side. Okay, so ఎప్పుడు అక్కర్ అవుతుంది రిసీవర్ సైడు. సో సైమల్టేనియస్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ విల్ అక్కర్స్ at the sender side. So that means so more than one sender will send the transactions at a time. So at the receiver side is a struggle to receive that packets. So this is the hidden problem. And exposed terminal problem means so exposed terminal problem means it is occur at the sender side. Okay, so only one sender will send the packet at a time, one to one receiver. At that time we have to send the another sender to a packet the exposed terminal problem will occurs. So to overcome this hidden and exposed terminal problem, our protocols are designed. Okay, this is the another issue. Okay, and another one is resource constraint. So here the limited battery life and limited processing power. Okay, so the resources are, these are the two resources. So whatever the nodes in the wireless network, those nodes are taken a limited bandwidth life and limited processing power. So and also here the network size and then network size and then network size are increases rapidly sometimes. Sometimes network size is decreased. Okay, so that our resources are effectively utilizes those nodes. So this is the another design issue while designing the routing protocols in ADAC wireless network. Okay, so the next another topic is characteristics of an ideal routing protocol for ADAC wireless networks. So these are the different characteristics, that is the ADAC wireless networks are fully distributed. It should not be a centralized routing. Okay, so that there is no central controller in the ADAC wireless network. This is the first characteristics. And coming to the second characteristics, so adaptive to frequent topology changes. So already we discussed in the wireless ADAC wireless network the topology. So the topology will changes rapidly. Okay, and another one is minimum connection setup time is desired. Okay, so here the another characteristic is minimum connection setup time is desired. And another characteristic is this is localized, it must be localized. So as a global state maintenance involved a huge state propagation control overhead. And another characteristic is it's a loop free and free from stale routes. Okay, another characteristic is packet collision must seldom happen. And another characteristic is converge to optimal route quickly. Okay, so and also here the optimally utilized bandwidth, computing power and memory and battery resources. Okay, so this is the one characteristics. Another characteristic is so frequently update the topologies. Okay, once we have frequently updated these topologies, so we can maintain it by this node. Okay, by this node or by this network. So and also so finally we can provide the quality of service and support for time sensitive traffic. So these are the several characteristics for the ADAC wireless network. Okay.